Today's video is regarding Canon PIXMA TS5040 all-in-one printer. I'm going to show you how to do the copy, print and scan with this printer. So let's start with the copy. To do a copy, first thing is to load the A4 size sheets at the rear paper tray and also open the paper output tray. Now open the top scanner lid, place the page you want to copy and place it facing down on the left hand side corner. Go to the display panel. Now the next step is to go to the display panel and we have to go to the copy, as that is the first icon, and click OK. Here we can go to the standard copy and now we can select the number of copies. Also we can go and do the color copy, and you can also go to the setting, as you can see here, and you can magnify or reduce the size. So there are a number of options we can do. Once you are ready, go back and click on the start button and it will instantly start to copy. So here we can see it has done the copy, so that is the color copy. The next thing is to go to the display panel again so that we can activate the Wi-Fi Direct of this printer, and that will be used to connect it with the iPhone or Android device. So this is the setting icon. We have to go and click OK. Now go to the settings, device settings, go to the LAN settings and then Wi-Fi wireless direct, and click on the wireless direct activate and just click OK to activate it. So once it is activated, we will go on the screen and click yes, so that it displays the name of the Wi-Fi wireless network, and scroll down and you will see here is the password displayed on the screen. Now go to your device, for example iPhone, laptop. Now go to your iPhone, open the Wi-Fi setting and look for the printer's name here, that is Direct TS5040 series. Enter the password as it is displayed on the printer screen. Click on join. On the next screen we will see printer is connected with the device, and the next thing is to open the Canon Print App. On the next screen in the app you see, do you want to search for available printers? So click yes. It will search for the printer and add up automatically. So once we see it, that means our printer is added. Click on cancel. So name of the printer series is here. Now I'll show you how to do the wireless printing. So click on the print document section, go to any document you want to print and click on the document. Click on next and click on the print button. So it will send a command for the printer to print. So here we can see, so we can use the printer's inbuilt Wi-Fi for the wireless printing. Now go back, so click on the cancel. Now I'll show you how to do the wireless scanning. So go to the scan option and just open the top scanner lid, place a page facing downwards on the left hand side corner and click on the scan button. On the next screen you will see the scan has been arrived here, and we can add more pages. So you can save it, you can share it. So overall this is a very good feature of the printer for the wireless printing and scanning. Thanks for watching.